Hello and welcome to Fidler 2020 solutions. In this video I will describe solution to challenge number 1, which was called Fidler. So as usual we are getting some short message about the challenge. So in this it's a simple game, win it by any means necessary, and the victory screen will reveal the flag. And what we also get with this challenge is some files. So we can see some fonts, images, exe file and some Python script. So actually what I did was I didn't even run the game, but of course we can. I looked into those two script files, and in controls there was really nothing interesting. And in Fidler there was the game itself, and we can already see there is some kind of like password checked function. And if we search for Fidler on com, which is a standard suffix for the flag, we can see we have this victory screen that was mentioned in the description. So we can actually see that if we reach this victory screen we should see a flag. So basically it says if the following key ends with Fidler on com, you probably won. So we can actually need to find out if it actually shows and how does it do to show the flag. And we can immediately see this line, which actually changes the text on the flag content label. It calls decode flag, passes the token that is actually being passed to this victory screen function. So let's try to see what is this decode flag function. And decode flag, we can see it's getting this token as a throb. Here it passes it to the last value, then there are some like key values and a simple loop that actually does some kind of encoding, decoding functionality, and then we return a string that is concatenated the bytes from the flag. So nothing really, let's call it tricky here. So we actually need to find out how to get the correct value of this token that it's being passed. So let's just get back to our victory screen, and actually that's the place, but we could already see that here it's being called with some current coins value divided by some big number. So we actually need to make sure that we pass, or we actually have a correct value of current coins. And if we divide it by this 10 to the power of 8 to this victory screen, we should get correct value, and then we should get a flag. And actually we can see that we have this current coins, which is our value, and then we have this target amount that we should reach. And if the current coin value is greater than target amount minus 2 to the power of 20, there is some kind of while loop going on, which reduces this current coin, but after that we pass this value to the victory screen. So my assumption was that actually this is everything I need to actually get correct value. If I have very big amount of current coins, it will be reduced by this while loop, and the correct value will be passed to the victory screen. So what I did, I copied the code flag from the Fidler script, and then in like my addition to this script was actually setting the current coins to some big value. And this is basically the same code from the Fidler, and just passing to victory screen. And actually instead of like printing in the game, because the decode flag returns a string, I can just print it on the screen here and potentially get the flag. And actually so what I did was just that. So if we run our script, it will take a short while and we will get a flag which was idle with kitty at fidleron.com. So that was solution to the first challenge from Fidler 2020. It was a bit, I think, easier than from the last year, which was like multi-step .NET application. It does require a bit more work last time. Nonetheless, yeah, the first challenge could be solved like that, and yeah, we could proceed to the second one, which was a bit more harder, but we will see that in the next video. So for now, that's all. I hope you liked this video. If so, please like the video and hit subscribe button, and see you next time. Bye bye.